Hello, welcome to Recline Yoga. Today I have daily yoga, so let's begin. Stand tall, just shake it out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, side bend. Switch side. Stand tall, toe over your mat. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more, inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, step your foot back. Plank pose. Shoulder forward, lower your body. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, shift back come into downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Inhale and exhale. Look forward, walk your hand. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more, inhale, arms up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, step your foot back. Plank pose. Exhale, lower your body. Inhale, open your chest. Upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Stretch your back and leg. Look forward. Step your right foot forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, warrior one. Bend your front knee. Relax your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Come into warrior two. Open your arms wide. Gaze straight. Relax your arms. Inhale, reverse warrior. Straighten from your leg. Exhale, triangle pose. Look at the sky. Open your chest. Hand to the mat. Come into half split. Straighten from your leg. Lengthen spine. Inhale and exhale. Switch side. Inhale, warrior one. Bend your front knee. Relax your shoulder. Come into warrior two. Open your arms wide. Inhale, reverse warrior. Straighten from your leg. Exhale, triangle pose. Open your chest. Look at the sky. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Hand to the mat. half spread. Straighten from your leg. Lengthen spine. Inhale and exhale. Slowly slide forward. Come into sleeping swan. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, forward fold. Walk your hand forward. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, wake up. Slowly walk your hand back. Lift your chest, come into pigeon pose. Open your chest. Focus on your breath. Release your hand. Switch side. Sit tall. Sleeping swan. Forward hold. Inhale, slowly wake up. Pigeon pose. Open your chest. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Gently release. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, gently twist. Slowly switch side. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Slowly release. Come into child pose to rest. Forehead heavy. Relax your hand, arm, shoulder, neck, and back, and hips, legs, foot. Everything relax. Slowly wake up. See you.